Hey, what's going on, you guys? I'm Veggie Rolls. Welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to go ahead and click on that subscribe button. It looks like this, and the little notification bell next to it so that you will be notified every time a new video goes up, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And if you're subscribing, thank you so much. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you guys for getting me to 15,000. I appreciate it so much. And whatever is yet to come, and I'm appreciative of that. So thank you. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing something a little different for Sweet Saturday. It is a sweet salad. And I know I'm like a little on the fence about salads because I'm not huge on salads, and this channel isn't either, but I know a lot of people have been requesting like maybe a little healthier thing here and there. So I'm like, you know what? Let me give them something that's a little lighter, but it's still in Sweet Saturday. So anyways, I'm gonna be making a strawberry cucumber balsamic salad. So it's gonna be a balsamic reduction salad. It's gonna be so good with mint and almonds, and it's gonna be deliciousness. So let's get veggie. All right guys, so let's go ahead and get started with our salad here. So first thing is first, we have some balsamic vinegar, and oh my goodness, I made a mess. And we're gonna be adding 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar to a skillet or a pan of whatever kind. And into that balsamic vinegar, I'm gonna be adding in 1 tablespoon of agave. And what we're looking for this to do is for it to reduce to half the amount we have here. And this is gonna happen super quickly, especially if you have your heat pretty high. This is gonna happen super quickly. It's gonna become thick and like syrupy. Another thing to keep in mind is that this will thicken up more as it cools down. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. This is reduced as much as I want it to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly toss our salad. So here I have about 1.5 cups of strawberries and about 1.5 cups of cucumbers all chopped up. You can do more or less of either or. I actually like a little more strawberry in my mix. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle on some sliced almonds, and I'm just gonna toss the salad together. Just get it all mixed together nicely, and then I'm gonna go ahead and plate this into a pretty plate. And on top of this, I'm gonna go ahead and garnish it with a little bit of sliced almonds and some cut up mint leaves. And then of course, we're gonna go ahead and pour on some of our balsamic reduction. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video so other people can see how delicious vegan food could be. Also, don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you make this recipe or any of my other recipes. I would love to see what you made, and I would love to see what you think about it. And yeah, I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye, guys.